It was 80 at Hesperia and 84 at Apple Valley. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 104 at Needles and 99 at 29 Palms. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 85 at Palmdale, 84 at Lancaster, 87 at Edwards Air Force Base, and 99 at Las Vegas, Nevada. In the southern deserts, throughout the region, it was mostly sunny. It was 99 at Palm Springs, 98 at Thermal, 104 at Blythe, and 103 at Phoenix, Arizona. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Bernardino and Riverside County Valleys, the Inland Empire tonight. Partly cloudy. Patchy fog overnight. Patchy drizzle overnight. Lows 50 to 56. Areas of winds west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Saturday, mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Patchy drizzle in the morning. High 73 to 78. Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, becoming mostly cloudy. Patchy fog overnight. Lows 48 to 55. Areas of wind southwest 15 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Bernardino County Mountains. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. Saturday to 11 p.m. PDT Sunday. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows 39 to 49 above 6,000 feet to 45 to 55 below 6,000 feet. Areas of winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to 35